Hey friends, today I'm making a chicken stir fry. To the chicken I'm adding garlic, onion and carrots. I'm also making Brussels sprouts and Swiss chard. Swiss chard is basically morojo, funny fancy names. You've probably seen it in the stores. It's cousins with kale and spinach. It's the one with the long white stems. It's important that you wash it before you cook it, even though it says washed. Brussels sprouts, make sure that you've cut off this part so that it cooks faster. Swiss chard is in water I'm about to drain. And then you're going to add oil, onion, garlic, salt and pepper to your pan. Saute that for about 5 minutes. Then add the Swiss chard. And then you're going to add 4 tablespoons of water. Remember, don't overcook it. It's going to cook for about 5 minutes. Then take it off the heat. Chard is in with the garlic and the onion, and I've added like 3 tablespoons of water to it. As you can see, it looks like a forest. Trust me, it's going to be half of this when it starts to wilt. So you've probably grown up with it, and that's the one they add potato or tamatinyana to it. So it's on its way. 5 minutes, it's gonna be done. Stunning color from the Brussels sprouts. What I've done is I've added olive oil and a little bit of butter and garlic. Of course, I've seasoned with a little bit of salt. And what you want to do is you want to gently saute them on a low heat. That's about a 2 or a 3. And what you do is that you just keep moving them around so that they suck up all those beautiful healthy oils, and until they're soft.